If you have heard of Hot Girl Summer, then you should know the trend is thriving thanks to Samsung. The technology company might not be an obvious pick for the phrase, but it hopes to change that with the debut of its new virtual assistant. According to recent reports, Samsung's new tech assist has hit the internet, and the mascot redefines the term anime girl. Now, netizens are geeking out over the girl, and Twitter is all but obsessed with this new waifu. The whole thing began when reports surfaced regarding Samsung's new virtual assistant. Technology insiders said the company is working on a new assistant to replace its 2D take on Bixby. And if the rumors are true, Sam is the name of this new assistant. Screenshots surfaced online of Sam courtesy of Lightfarm Studios. The production house went on to share details of what Sam would be able to do. At this point, no official word has been given by Samsung about Sam, but fans are banking on her debut. After all, some hardcore anime fans are willing to ditch their current phone just to meet Sam, but others aren't so enamored. And as for Sam, well, we're sure the girl just wants to do her job no matter what your loyalty to Samsung looks like. We have also seen some similarities between Sam and the Alita animated character from the Alita Battle Angel movie. What do you make of this latest Samsung stunt? Do you like this anime mascot? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos every day.